Hey guys, so here is what I got from Emmy Bonnie Manila Fan Meet Freebies. So first up is this Amy. Tapos ito yung kanilang fan, ito yung kanilang ano talaga na banner. More than words, more than fans, between us we found home. This is ano kasi I have 3. Ito yung mga actually dalawa yung kasi yung ilalagay ko sa kwarto. Remembrance, ito dito siya forever. Then, kasi nag-order nila ako for Namtan Film ng ganito, pero hindi ako pumunta ng fan meet nila. Anyways, then, of course, meron dito yung mga kanilang banners. Hand banners. Actually, ito yung kay Emmy Tasorn. Tapos, ito, Emmy Bonnie na siya. Emmy Bonnie. Ganito siya. Emmy Bonnie. And another one. I love this. Ito, Emmy Bonnie. Yan, Emmy Bonnie. Sana sa Namtan Film. Manifesting Namtan Film. Fan meet. Then, of course, Emmy Bonnie. Ito yung kay Happy Birthday Bonnie. Tapos, ito yung kay Emmy. Then, ito yung mga pictures. I love Amy. So bad. Then, of course, I have the headband. Here. Then, ito. I love this. Then, I also love this, Amy for President. This is what I love. So, I need one sticker to put it there. To put it here. Ito talaga, hiningi ko talaga because it's Namtan Film and Emmy Bonnie in the house. So, kailangan may one per eye sticker tapos one for my laptop. So, this is Amy for President. Amy for President. And of course, ito yung talaga, yung pinaka-favorite ko. Ito lang ay siya. Ito yung memo pad ni Amy. I love this. And also this one. This is super ganda because this is guitar pick. Because Emmy Bonnie loves guitar. Ayan siya. Then also there is Also, there is a keychain. I love this keychain, guys. Angel Amy. Then, ito, another keychain. Actually, ang dami. This is another keychain. Okay. Another keychain. Emmy Bonnie, Amy. Then, ayan, si Emmy, tsaka si Bonnie. Alam nyo, kanina, ito talaga yung pinaka na-sold out talaga na fan event sa buong mundo, sa buong Pilipinas. Damn. Ito yung na-sold out talaga. As in, pinuno yung Skydome. Only Emmy Bonnie can do it. So, Emmy Bonnie. Emmy. Then, stickers. So, this Bonnie. And, sticker ni Yellow Amy. I love ni Amy ang yellow. Emmy. Then, ayan yung mga Tapos, mga photo cards. There is Emmy, Bonnie, Amy. Mga photo cards talaga, normal. Then, this is Bonnie. This is Emmy. And this is so cute. Emmy, Bonnie. Emmy, yan. Meron pang Amy for President. Dalawa siya. Then, also, this is what I love also. Hello, my name is Amy. I have a butterfly wings. Also, this Instax is so cute. This is what I love. Also, this one. Emmy Bonnie. Tapos, ito. Another one and sticker. Then, this is one of my favorite. Your voice like is music in your ears. Then, of course, headband. Hindi makakalimutan na experience ko. Pag walang Emmy Bonnie headband. So, that's it for my Emmy Bonnie fan meet in Manila freebies haul. Bye, guys!